currently 4:20 in the morning. Very, very early start for this one, and that's because we got another kayak tournament this morning. I'm actually double dipping this morning into 2 different tournaments on the same lake, and we're going to see what we can get done. If you guys watch the practice video, you will know it was tough to say the least, but like I like a good tough tournament. I always feel like I do better in a tough tournament because the tougher it is, the more I'm able to grind, and the more that I'm able to grind, I don't know, just the better I feel that I do. I don't know what that is in me that makes me think that, but that's just the way I feel about it. So yeah, guys, we're after it this morning. We got about 20 more minutes till we get to the boat ramp. We can get in the water at 5, lines in at 6, lines out at 2, and we're gonna see how this thing goes. All right, boys, it's game time. Let's see what we can get done here. Oh my God.
Ooh, get it. Damn. Small fish. Everybody, get that.
All right, guys, 14 3/4. Here you go, guys. Well, 13 3/4. I've got a limit in one tournament with 3 fish. I need 5 for the other tournament that I'm fishing in, but I'm limited out in one of the tournaments, which is good. So I'm just kind of picking away at them here. You know, there's nothing super consistent. I got 2 bites on wood. I'm come down here because I knew there was quite a bit of wood in the water and didn't get any bites on wood going down through here. Caught that one off a dock. So we're just going to keep on keeping at it here, see if we can catch us some more fish. All right, guys, little 13 1/4 there. Get out of here. Here you go, guys, little 13 incher. Here's the limit, what we've been working for right there. So got a limit in both tournaments now. Now it's just time to start upgrading, because that fish I don't believe helped my 3 fish in the other tournament. I'm honestly not sure, to be totally honest with you, but we're just gonna keep after it. Gotta run into a big one. Honestly, today 17 incher, that's a big one. So I want to stay after it. I actually switched up to a creature hog. So I was using pit ball, switched up to the creature hog just to show them a little something different. You know, it doesn't have as many flapping appendages and things like that. And so I got the last couple bites flipping that thing around. So we're going to keep it in our hand. They're bigger than average fish. You know, it was easy the other day. During practice, I ended up catching a couple 16 3/4. You know, those fish that I definitely need right now. And today just can't seem to get it done. But it's one of them things. Any swing. So we're going to stay after it. Alright guys, there's an upgrade. Well guys, I think we're going to end her right here. What a day out on the water. It's tough to say the least. Had a ton of fun though. I caught them doing exactly what I like to do, which is flipping something and throwing that wacky rig, and so I can't complain. I had some fun today out on the water. Now before we talk about where I came in this tournament, I want to tell you 2 things. Number 1, go down in the description if you want to check out any of the gear that I used in this video. When you use those links, they're Tackle Warehouse affiliate links. I get a little bit of commission off of that. It helps to keep gas in the truck, in the boat, and keep the channel running. Number 2, I'm going to have a video popping up here in just a second I want you to click on that video if you enjoyed this one, because the longer you stay on YouTube, the better YouTube treats me. They do this thing called session time, and what session time is how long you stay on the app. And so the more of my videos that you watch in a row, the better off I am. Now for what happened in these tournaments. In the 5-fish tournament, I came in 10th out of 26, so about dang near middle of the pack. And then in the 3-fish tournament, I came in, I think, 21st, 22nd out of 40th. I'll make sure and put the exact standings here in just a second. But yeah, that's how it went today. Good day on the water. Really enjoyed it. Got some cool stuff coming up this week. Got another kayak tournament. Gonna go hang out with my buddy John from Creek Fishing Adventures, and we're just gonna have a good week. So like I said, click this video if you like this one, and as always, you guys are sweet, and thank you for watching.